It's a culvert we're trying to construct here. See, sites. Tengeneza culverts. These are 3 culverts. Want to install here. Okay, the work was initially done, but it wasn't done properly. The culverts are small, so the access road is smaller. We need a bigger vehicle to be able to pass here. So we are adding culvert here, another culvert here, to ensure that when vehicles come, zinaweza pita vizuri, the size ya culvert. And here we have a problem with drainage. There's a lot of water. Hii place iko karibu na maji mingi. There's a lot of water passing here. We'll need to find a way to ensure that the water diverts properly so that it doesn't ruin our work when we are constructing. So we've done this mtaro here to ensure that the water ina divert huku. Naona hii mtaro iko na maji mingi ndani. Mtaro iko na maji mingi ndani. Ndio. So tunataka hiyo maji imedivert hapa ndio ipite hivyo iende na huko, but then it will allow hapa, if you can see that, it will allow hapo kutengeneza this culvert here. So we'll put our culverts here. We need 3 culverts here. We are laying in this place, in this space here, 3 culverts. So hiyo maji kitoka pale itakuwa inapita kwa hiyo culvert all the way, then inapita through that ditch, inateremka huko chini. So yeah, tuko site culverts 3 ndio hizo nataka tu lay hapo. So ukiwa na kazi ya culvert, speak to us about this and we'll be happy to help you. But then there is a lot of you remember in our previous video we were talking about there being a lot of this problem with moisture control in your construction. Yes, mahali kama hapa actually there's a very big problem. There's a big problem of moisture control. So I'll be talking more about how you can control moisture in a place where there is a lot of water during this rainy season. In a place like this, we'll be talking about that. And or you can look at a previous video about the same, about moisture control in building and construction. And so if you have a question, you have a concern, please talk to us through the comment section and we'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, stay safe and be peaceful. See you in the next one.